How to fix Spotify device limit reached. If Spotify says device limit reached, and if you have got premium, this usually happens because Spotify allows downloads on a maximum of 5 devices, and if you've reached the limit, you'll need to remove some devices to free up space for new ones. So you need to remove the older devices from your account or sign out of all devices. To do so, instead of using the app, you have to open your browser and go to spotify.com and make sure to log into your account. Once done, you can tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side, then go to the option that says View Account. From View Account, you're going to be taken to this page where you have to scroll down and tap on the option called Sign Out Everywhere. When you sign out of your account from everywhere and you're only logged in on a few devices, especially this one, then you'll be able to remove the device limit again and be able to download the songs. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.